2023 is the third year of this channel's existence, and it's only when I stop at a time like this that I realise how much I've got up to in the year and how varied some of the projects have been that I've carried out. So this video is my roundup of the year with all the best bits all squidged into one. So for the very last time in 2023, run the intro. In the first 4 months of 2023, Harry released Spare. Well, you didn't miss much there. Interest rates went to 4.25%, which was the highest they've been for 14 years. And doctors, nurses and rail workers all wanted to go on strike. So it was a fairly bleak start to the year. Gary Lineker got in trouble with the BBC for comments he made on social media. And another Gary, this time Glitter, was released from prison in February just to get sent back there the month later in March for breaching his parole conditions. Do you want to be in my gang? I'd rather not, actually. So while all this nonsense was happening in the real world, here at Proper DIY HQ, I was building some shelving units for the bathroom, I was digging up the garden, and I also turned a table into a pallet. Yes, table into a pallet. I've seen so many pallet to table videos, I thought for the first time on YouTube, I'd do it the other way round, which really got a lot of people agitated, and all of them immediately started hitting their keyboard, especially the ones that didn't realise it was the 1st of April. So sit back and enjoy all the best bits for the first 4 months, all in 3 minutes.
Something out last night that changed this little boy's brain. A small piece of advice that took 22 years in the make, and I will break it for you now. Please learn from my mistakes. Please learn from my mistakes. Let's dance to Joy Division and celebrate the irony. Everything is going wrong, but we're so happy. Let's dance to Joy Division and raise our glass to the ceiling, 'cause this could all go so wrong, but we're so
But I told my wife, I can't build around a bin without first having the bin.
So if you're ever feeling down, grab your purse and take a taxi to the darker side of town. That's where we'll be, and we will wait for you and lead you through the dance floor up to the DJ booth. You know what to ask for, you know what to ask for. You ask for Joy Division and celebrate the irony. Everything is going wrong, but we're so happy. Let's dance to Joy Division and raise our glass to the ceiling, 'cause this could all go so wrong, but we're so happy. Yeah, we're so happy.
There's a joke that's been going around for some time now, something along the lines that I popped down to Aldi or Lidl to buy a pint of milk and I came back with a plasma cutter.
Let's tear us apart. So let the love tear us apart. I found the cure for a broken heart. Let's tear us apart. So let the love tear us apart. I found the cure for a broken heart. Let's tear us apart. Let's tear us apart. Let's tear us apart. Joy Division and celebrate the irony. Everything is going wrong, but we're so happy. Let's dance to Joy Division and raise our glass to the ceiling, 'cause this could all go so wrong, but we're so happy. Yeah, we're so happy. So happy. Yeah, we're so happy. So happy. Yeah, we're so happy.
In our next period of May to August, the high point was obviously the coronation of our new king, followed just a week later by a disastrous showing at the Eurovision Song Contest, which is pretty typical and something you have to live with if you grow up in the UK. It was around this time that both Hugh Edwards and Philip Schofield both decided to end their careers, and then the interest rate went up further to 5%. But here at Proper DIY, the videos were still continuing. In fact, I produced 52 videos this year, exactly one per week. And it was around the summertime that I played quite a lot with something called cement soil, and that's where you add cement to normal garden soil, you mix it all up and you compact it, it goes hard, and it makes a really nice base for paths and patios without having to remove that material. It's based on a civil engineering technique called soil stabilisation that's been around for years and is getting more and more common. Although a lot of people in the comments of the videos seem to tell me that it didn't exist, which is strange. So maybe the whole of my career has just been a dream.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe while Santa's busy.
I must admit, it's not quite as easy as everyone says. It's not quite as straightforward as throwing it in the hole and putting some water in.
On the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door.
Flip. Yes, this is my second attempt on this little masterpiece.
From house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
Actually, that is really quite nice.
A Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around.
And this post now is really solid, and with the string line up, I can see it's nice and vertical. So that's a really good job to get out of the way, ready for the weekend. I've now got a nice vertical fence. We started the last 4 months of the year with a warm spell, which I'm told apparently is climate change. And there couldn't have been a lot of news going along at this point, because all I remember is that new Beatles song being plugged continuously, which is average to say the least. Oh, here's one for you. What does Wilko and Birmingham City Council have in common? Yes, they've both gone bankrupt. And 12 months on, junior doctors are still striking. So we finished the year in exactly the same way as we started. So things haven't really changed. But here at Proper DIY, in that last 4 months of the year, I was still releasing all kinds of videos on how to make concrete signs, children's play tables, a pop-up bar for Christmas, plunge saw, garden lights, all kinds of things. And that's what I like about doing this job. The variety is enormous and it keeps it fresh and interesting, hopefully interesting to you, the viewer, as well. Before we play the last few clips, thank you for everyone that's been supporting this channel and watching, and especially my Patreon members that have really sort of backed the channel and helped things go and given me lots of feedback on all the extra bits that they see each week that the public doesn't necessarily see. So all that I have to say is have a great ending of 2023, Happy New Year, and I will see you all in 24. This week I'm going to show you my top 10 DIY tips and tricks, the sort of things that I use all the time.
My love, my lover, 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 I'm in paradise whenever I'm with you. My mind, my mind, well it's a paradise whenever I'm with you. Ride on, well, I will ride on down the road, I will find you, I will hold you, I'll be there. It's long, well it's a mighty long road, but I'll find you, I will hold you and I'll be there. I know you heard it from those other boys, but this time it's real, it's something that I feel it. I know you heard it from those other boys, but this time it's real, it's something that I feel it. If it feels like paradise running through your bloody veins, you know it's love heading your way. If it feels like paradise running through your bloody veins, you know it's love heading your way.
Well, that was what you call a fairly rough cut.
My time, my time, well it's a never-ending helter-skelter, we'll be out whatever the weather. My heart, my boom, boom, heart, it's a beat and it's a thumping and I'm alive. I know you heard it from those other boys, but
I've gone to the next best thing that's a little bit more industrial.
I know you heard it from those other boys, but this time it's real, it's something that I feel. And if it feels like paradise running through your bloody veins, you know it's love heading your way. If it feels like paradise running through your bloody veins, you know it's love heading your way.
And the great thing about using this technique is that we can actually use this that we've cut off as a jig if we line it up with the bottom to dictate exactly where these holes should be without any measuring at all.
Paradise, roll on, meet me there, roll on. Paradise, roll on, meet me there, roll on. Paradise, roll on, meet me there.
Lots and lots of wooden blocks.
Paradise, roll on, meet me there, roll on. Paradise, roll on, meet me there, roll on.
Don't try this at home. So I think I need to break out the plunge saw and make some sawdust.
If it feels like paradise running through your bloody veins, you know it's love heading your way. If it feels like paradise running through your bloody veins, you know it's love heading your way. I know you heard it from those other boys, but this time it's real, it's something that I feel it. I know you heard it from those other boys, but this time it's real, it's something that I feel it. If it feels like paradise running through your bloody veins, you know it's love heading your way.
I do need a bit of the old slippy slidey adjuster-bolt rather than the immediate grab fixie wrong, if you know what I mean.
If it feels like paradise running through your bloody veins, you know it's love heading your way. If it feels like paradise running through your bloody veins, you know it's love heading